Here's 33 East Locust Street. There's actually an alleyway behind East Locust Street. So it's pretty private. Second floor unit. Nice little porch. Steps into the kitchen. Appliances haven't been delivered yet. We got electric stove and fridge going here. Nice pantry, cabinet space, sink. This could be a little living room in here. You can put a sofa in the back. I mean, a love seat. Or we could make this the living room. It's a nice big room. Or we make it this a bedroom. Usually fit a king-size bed in here with furniture. Closet. See, that's Locust Street in the front over there, in front of that house. So that could be the living room, bedroom, and second bedroom. You could fit a twin is ideal in here, but you could fit a twin in, full size in here if you had to. Put it in that corner, have a little space to walk over there. That would work. Again, the wide angle lens makes everything seem smaller than it is. All right, if you're interested in this property, go to parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties, all one word, I-E-S, plural.com. Submit an application on a homepage, and we'll be in touch by next business day. Schedule showings, get you pre-qualified, all that fun stuff. Oh, bathroom would be nice, huh? Washer and dryer hookup, electric dryer. That works, and just here, you can use it. There's convenience, medicine cabinet, spot for your laundry stuff, or extra storage. And tub with new surround, shower and tub. All right, this place, water's included as of October 2024. We got electric heating in here. And also you have the heat downstairs of the unit that heats up. You get residual heat from this unit to this unit. All right, so if you're interested, just apply online and we'll get you in here.